Today we are going to make samsa. We make samsa not in the tanur, that's traditional way to make samsa. And today we are going to make samsa in the oven. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are already a Dolan chick friend, know who I am. Welcome back. For samsa recipe, this is all we need. Lamb with more fat, I cut it fine. Onion also, I cut it fine too. And as a herb, we are going to use cumin, white pepper and black pepper, salt for the dough and also for the filling. Olive oil, instead of olive oil, you can also use sunflower oil or any kind of oil. Water and white flour. Let's begin! As you can see, the dough is very hard. Make sure that you put enough salt in it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Don't forget to cover it with a wet towel. Now I'm going to mix it. Oh yeah, very important step. Don't forget to put a hand of water in the filling. It prevents the meat from becoming dry, and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to lubricate the plate for in the oven. About the oven, I have a combination oven. There are a few options like grill. The grill works the best for the color of the samsa, and I set up to the low setting, preheat it about 10 minutes. Cover the dough, otherwise it becomes dry. The thickness of the dough is very important. The edges should be thinner than the middle. Put in the filling in the dough, like 1 tablespoon, not too much. Use a little bit water, it makes easier to close the dough. Lubricate the table. Baking tray is very hot. And set the time to 15 minutes. Here you go. Samsa is ready. Look at this! They look beautiful! Samsa is ready. It's one of the most popular Uyghur street foods, and it's also one of my favorite foods. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Dolan Chick, and see you next week. Bye!